Oh, there, this is an unboxing of the Meta Quest 3. Let's get right. Okay, so it lifts up. Cool. So you scan to start. I'll cover that. Yeah, there's your instructions. Here's the actual thing itself. Damn. Wow. These are the accessories that comes in the box. You've got your actual plug, and then you've got your actual cable for charging the headset. But here's the actual Meta Quest 3 itself. I have the Quest 2, and yeah, it's so much. It's a little bit lighter, a bit heavier on the front, but obviously the strap that we've got will help. Yeah, looks really cool. I'm gonna get it all set up, and then we'll switch to the actual video. Let's get this open. Okay, so we've got the actual silicone one on there now. So next is this. These do come with AA batteries, but if you get the compact charging, don't you get rechargeable batteries, which is a lot better. You don't get any leaks. Like my Quest 2 had a leak. Had a leak in the actual battery container, and then yeah, messed up that left controller. So yeah, this is the way. Okay, yeah, so I figured it out with the charge dock. So you get a cable here that plugs into your actual main power adapter that came with the Quest 3. Plug that into there, and then you got another one on the side that's plugged into the headset if you want to charge the headset as well, which is kind of cool. And yeah, the wireless charge. It comes with the two batteries you put in it, and then yeah, you can just take it off. Really cool. Really cool. Really cool. Right, on to the next. I'm gonna get this bad boy out. Right, this is we're here actually on the actual thing. Here's my room. Yeah, this is the Quest 3. Been playing for about God knows how many hours now. Yeah. Wow, look at this. It's so much sharper than the Quest 2. It's so much sharper. Yeah. Right, let's go back to our thing. Let's go back here. Yeah, you've got all your different settings, all of this here. I've got it connected to I think it's Kiwi Lab or something. Connected to the PC, so I can go onto the PC and do whatever I want, and it's not gone down for. I've been playing for about 2.5 hours straight, and it's not gone down. It's just gonna keep it there. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. This is the return to the channel of unboxings. I mean, doing whatever I do. But yeah, more to come on that front. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, peace out.